What's up you guys? Kamusta? I hope life is treating you well. Today's upload is about my day 2 POV highlights on the 2025 edition of the New Zealand MTB Rally. This time, it will be around Silvan Forest MTB Park and Richmond Hills. It's a big contrast from this
Janky, lots of rocks, lots of room.
to that.
Dry, dusty, loose.
Now, just like day 1, we will be shuttled straight up to the top.
I don't know if you can see the boss, but that's that. To the top.
Followed by a few pedal strokes to the start of stage 1.
Alright, so day 2, Liason on Widdershins.
Yeah, mate. All good?
Yep, 3 kilometers, huh?
3.8, nearly 4.
3.8.
Yeah, 3.8 kilometers of pedaling.
Alright, Involution. Goal for today is just to survive because we got DNFs already. I'm not the slowest rider now.
Alright, Involution Trail. What do I remember? Well, aside from the creek that they warned us about, which is just that,
Oh, thank you, Wharfdale.
this trail has a lot of fast straights. Switchbacks, routes, fast straights with awkward switchbacks, and yeah,
Pero, oh man. Switchbacks everywhere. Oh. Whew.
Oh, we won.
Right, second shuttle, let's go! Okay, day 2, stage 2. The views are nice. Sir, yes, sir! Without the dancing James. It's on. I think this trail is called Della Luna. Outside. Oh, no grip. Dry, dusty, loose.
In case you're wondering, I don't use horizon leveling in GoPro, so... And yes, it's off camber too.
Oh. Oh, right. Punishing.
But then of course, let's not forget some sudden pinch climbs in the middle of a descent.
The little hike don't stop, turns and then climbs.
Alright, De La Luna. As you can see, it's an alpine style trail with lots of switchbacks and loose over hardpack. This was volunteer built in collaboration with Santa Cruz Bikes. Now you know.
Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Oh man, time's dead. You're right.
Not gonna lie, but I didn't really get what he was trying to say.
that one?
But it looked like he wants me to get in
Yeah.
first. Well, the thing is, I also have two riders behind me, but for some reason, I let the two riders behind me to get in first. I don't know why I did that.
Yeah, go. Okay. Ooh, smells like pads.
man.
We follow you, bruh. Oh, climb.
After that, I decided to have lunch under the shade of the tree. Then some wild pro riders arrived.
Oh, the fast train. Oh, the pro rider.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, the fastest fisherman.
Alright. Ready to go? All yours, man.
Terminus. Yep.
All that momentum gone.
That went deep. All right. That's what we want. The middle bits are dodgy.
Yes, that is right. And let me show it to you again.
Dodgy. Hey, wait, what?
I thought I'll have a proud moment using a setup line on a trail I have never ridden before, but nope.
Where should we go? Hey? Hey. Downhill only, Terminus. Okay. Outside. High out. Good. Right, let's try not to hit the brakes, eh? Like that. Well, we want high line, but not that fucking high. Ay, fucking heck. Alright, Terminus downhill. Continue.
Well, Terminus, what do we know? This one is 3 kilometers long. It's a 300-meter descent. And as you can see, it's full of big berms, some loose over hard packed stuff, and some great views.
Oh yeah, hard pack.
Of course, this will not be Nelson if there's no unexpected climbs.
Oh, okay. Right. Bermed monster. Oh. Oh, good.
Oh, big smile. That's the way. Lovely at work. Ready to go?
Yes.
Go for it.
Right, people's choice. I was carrying speed, I was connecting the corners, that felt good. But of course I got distracted by the thought of having to overtake, but then... Oh, thank you. Ezra. Like that. Oh. Like that. Outside. Looks like a struggle right now.
Good work. Survived it.
Yes. And that ends today's upload. Don't forget, if you like what you saw, don't forget to give us a like, comment, or subscribe. Peace.